Space is big, really big. It's hard to wrap our minds around just how vast the cosmos truly is. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, the universe is a playground of sizes and scales. Let's take a journey through this incredible tapestry, from the atom to the universe. Imagine holding a tiny grain of sand. It seems pretty insignificant, right? But that grain, like everything around us, is made up of things even smaller. Our journey begins here, in the realm of the infinitesimal. As we delve deeper, we encounter the building blocks of matter itself. Prepare to be amazed by the elegance and complexity hidden within the very fabric of reality. Atoms, once thought to be the smallest indivisible units of matter, are actually bustling hives of activity. Imagine a nucleus, a tiny sun, orbited by even tinier electrons like planets. These subatomic particles, with exotic names like quarks and leptons, are governed by the strange laws of quantum mechanics. Here things aren't always as they seem. Particles can be in multiple places at once, and reality is more of a fuzzy cloud of probabilities. Atoms may be tiny, but they're the fundamental ingredients for everything we see and touch. Like letters forming words, atoms combine to create the molecules that make up our world. From the simple elegance of water molecules to the complex machinery of DNA, molecules are where the magic of chemistry unfolds. These molecular structures, in turn, assemble into even larger, more intricate system cells. Consider the humble cell, the basic unit of life. Invisible to the naked eye, a single cell is a bustling metropolis of activity. Within its microscopic walls, countless processes occur every second, enabling life as we know it. From single-celled organisms to the complex ecosystems of rainforests, life teems on our planet at an incredible range of scales. But let's shift our focus now to something a bit more familiar: ourselves. Humans, we like to think we're a big deal. And in the grand scheme of the universe, we're not that small, are we? We tower over ants, build structures that touch the clouds, and create technologies that extend our reach far beyond our planet. But compared to the vastness of even our own planet, we are but a speck. Imagine standing on a mountaintop, gazing at the sprawling landscape below. Cities become tiny dots, and humans mere specks against the grandeur of nature. Our buildings, our cars, our entire world shrinks in comparison to the natural wonders that surround us, and yet we're just getting started. Consider the awe-inspiring scale of mountains, their peaks piercing the clouds, or the vastness of deserts, stretching as far as the eye can see. These natural wonders dwarf our human creations, reminding us of the raw power and beauty of our planet. Then there are the cities, sprawling metropolises teeming with millions of lives. From the air, these urban giants resemble intricate circuit boards, pulsating with energy and activity. Yet even these pale in comparison to the continents upon which they reside. It's easy to lose sight of the bigger picture when we're caught up in our daily lives. But a glimpse at a world map reminds us of the true scale of our planet. From space, Earth appears as a small, fragile sphere, a pale blue dot against the vast blackness of space. This image, captured by Voyager 1, famously inspired Carl Sagan to reflect on the insignificance of our planet in the grand scheme of things. And yet, this tiny world is our home, a vibrant oasis teeming with life in an otherwise seemingly barren universe. As we venture beyond our atmosphere, we enter a realm of celestial objects that dwarf even the mightiest of Earth's features. Our journey now takes us beyond the familiar to our celestial neighbors, the planets and stars that make up our cosmic neighborhood. Our solar system is dominated by the Sun, a star so massive that it could hold over 1 million Earths. Around it orbit the planets, each a world unto itself, with its own unique characteristics and mysteries. From the scorching heat of Mercury to the icy plains of Pluto, our solar system is a diverse and awe-inspiring place. But even the vast distances between planets are dwarfed by the distances between stars. If we were to shrink the Sun down to the size of a grapefruit, the Earth would be a mere pinhead, orbiting at a distance of about 50 feet. And the nearest star? It would be another grapefruit, thousands of miles away. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is a vast spiral of billions of stars, gas, and dust. It's so large that it takes light, traveling at 186,000 miles per second over 100,000 years to cross it. And the Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies in the observable universe, each containing billions or even trillions of stars. These galaxies are not scattered randomly but are arranged in clusters and superclusters, forming a vast cosmic web. The sheer scale of the universe is almost impossible to comprehend, but it's also incredibly humbling and awe-inspiring. From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, the universe is a place of endless wonder and discovery. By exploring the extremes of scale, we gain a deeper appreciation for our place in the cosmos. The journey from atom to universe is a journey through scales of unimaginable size and complexity. It's a journey that reminds us of the vastness of the unknown and the importance of continuing to explore and understand the universe we live in. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that you're looking at a tiny fraction of a universe that's far larger and more complex than we can possibly imagine. And that's okay. The universe is full of mysteries, and that's what makes it so endlessly fascinating.